If you work in Figma, there may be times when you need to edit a component instance without keeping it linked to the original component. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove or detach a component in Figma in the fastest way possible. This is really useful when you want to make custom changes to one specific instance without affecting every other copy across your design. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and select the component instance you want to detach. You can click it directly on the canvas, or if it's easier, find it in the Layers panel and select it from there. Once the instance is selected, look for the options that let you break the connection to the main component. The easiest way is to right-click on the instance. After right-clicking, you'll see a menu pop up. From that menu, choose Detach Instance. The moment you click that, Figma will convert the instance into a regular independent group of layers, so you can edit it freely. If you prefer using the right sidebar, you can also click the component menu dots in the Properties panel and choose the Detach option from there. This gives you the same result, just through a different path. And if you like using keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow, there's a quick shortcut too. On Mac, press Option, Command and B. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt and B. That instantly detaches the instance without needing to open any menus. Once the component is detached, you can change text, adjust shapes, move objects around, and customize it however you want. Just remember, after detaching, it will no longer receive updates from the original component. So if the main component changes later, this detached version will stay the same. That's why detaching is great for one-off edits, but not ideal if you still want global consistency. So in summary, select the component instance, right-click and choose Detach Instance, or use the component menu dots in the right panel, or simply use the shortcut Option Command B on Mac or Ctrl Alt B on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Figma tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.